quick and easy way to cook sea bass. I know many people don't like to see the fish whole, but that's how we cook it in our house. You can always get it filleted if that's what you prefer. What we've got here is 2 sea bass that's been scaled and cleaned. We've got some sweet chili sauce, some soy sauce and some oil. This is olive oil. That's about 2 tablespoons of each and 2 cloves of garlic. I'm now going to show you how to make a puree. What I'm going to do is slice the garlic into very small pieces. This might take you a little longer, but that's fine. Chop it up really quite small. And then you need to add some salt to these pieces here. I've already got some on the board, so I'm going to add the salt. What that does is allow the garlic to grip to the board better. Chop it up some more. Use the back of the knife to press it down. And keep pressing until the garlic breaks down. It will take a minute or so, and then you end up with a really nice puree. Of course, if this is all too difficult for you, you can always just get some pre-prepared puree. But it really doesn't take any time. So I'm now going to score the fish on either side and get it ready to go in the oven. So I'm scoring the fish because I'm about to rub the garlic over it, and this allows the garlic to penetrate the fish much better. Okay, so I'm going to rub the garlic as much as I can into the scored areas. Just takes a few seconds to do that. And then we do exactly the same with the other one. So the next thing I'm going to do is pour some olive oil over the top of each fish. And then I'm going to rub that into the fish as well. So now I'm going to wrap the fish up into parcels. We want them quite loose but firm enough so that the juice from the fish and the garlic and the oil doesn't leak. So I'm now going to bake the fish in a preheated oven on gas mark 5, 190 for about 20 minutes. So I've now taken the fish out of the oven after 20 minutes. I've mixed the soy and the sweet chili sauce together, and I'm now going to pour it over the fish. Try your best to get as much sauce on top of the fish as you can before you put this back in the oven for the final 10 minutes of cooking. So the fish is ready now. I'm just about to plate it. I just want to tell you that if you're cooking your fish filleted, you need to cook it for half the time. The fish is now ready to serve, and I am going to serve it with some steam pak choy and sticky coconut rice. And don't forget the juice that the fish was cooked in.